Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Hello, and welcome back to another episode. Recently, we talked about how DevOps is not just a job, it's a culture. But being part of this culture can be pretty tough and stressful at times. In fact, according to Glassdoor, the average stress level of a DevOps engineer is 4 out of 5. And in my opinion, that's a pretty accurate rating. That's because DevOps engineers have multiple hats to wear, from development to IT operations and everything in between. And if you don't manage your time effectively, it can be easy to get overwhelmed and experience burnout. So, in today's episode, I will share with you some tips that will help you stay productive even when you feel like you're drowning in a sea of tasks and responsibilities. Let's get started. Tip number 1, automate everything. Automation is one of the most important aspects of DevOps. By automating your tasks, you free up your time to focus on more strategic initiatives. There are many tools available to help you automate your work, such as scripting tools like Python or PowerShell, configuration management tools like Ansible or Chef, and automation server tools like Jenkins or GitLab CI. So take some time to identify the tasks that you perform regularly that could be automated and then use the appropriate tools to do so. This will not only make your life easier, but it will also make your team more efficient. Tip number 2, learn to say no. As a DevOps engineer, you will be responsible for a wide range of tasks, and it can be difficult to know where to start. It's important to learn to say no to non-essential tasks so that you can focus on the most important ones. This doesn't mean that you should be rude or dismissive when someone asks you to do something, but you should be honest about your workload and explain why you're unable to take on more work at the moment. It's also important to be respectful and polite when declining an offer. Thank the person for the opportunity, and explain that you're not able to commit to it at this time. You may also want to suggest alternative solutions, such as recommending another team member who may be able to help them. Tip number 3, prioritize your workload. As a DevOps engineer, you will have competing demands on your time from multiple stakeholders. It's important to prioritize your workload so that you can focus on the most important tasks. This means being able to say no to non-essential tasks and setting realistic expectations with stakeholders. To prioritize your workload effectively, you should first identify all of the tasks that need to be done, and then rank them according to their importance. You should consider the impact of each task and the deadline when making your decision. Once you have prioritized your tasks, communicate them to your team and stakeholders so that everyone is on the same page. Tip number 4, don't be afraid to ask for help. Asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. There's no shame in admitting that you need assistance, and it can actually be a valuable tool for improving your productivity. When you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed, don't hesitate to reach out to your colleagues or senior members of your team. They may be able to provide insights or suggestions that you have not considered, or they may be able to help you troubleshoot an issue that you're facing. Asking for help can also help you build relationships with other people in your organization and create a sense of camaraderie. So don't be afraid to speak up and ask for assistance when needed. It could be the best thing you do for your productivity. Tip number 5, take regular breaks. Taking regular breaks is essential for maintaining productivity. Short breaks throughout the day can help you clear your mind, reduce stress, and improve your overall well-being. During these breaks, it's important to disconnect from work and do something that you enjoy, whether it's taking a walk, listening to music, or spending time with friends. Taking breaks can help you return to work feeling refreshed and ready to tackle new challenges. Additionally, taking regular breaks has been shown to improve focus and concentration, which are essential for productivity. By stepping away from your work and giving yourself a chance to relax, you'll be able to come back to it with a fresh perspective and renewed energy. Well, there you go. These are 5 tips that can help you stay productive as a DevOps engineer even when you're feeling burned out. Remember that you do not have to do everything on your own, and that asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Also, never forget to take regular breaks as they can help you stay focused and reduce stress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learnetyguide.net.